Niyangisaba, that's why ningangipiki, niyangisaba.
Mara ngidlalile nawe last year.
No,
Wangabatsheli. Let me not be emotional. There's a lot that you've done.
Emotionally.
My man. So there's a lot of stuff that you've done for South African football. We can criticize you on any other thing, but not your talent. And the one thing that you need to understand, you inspired people like me to actually love this football thing. And within this thing, Tandai, you're always going to get criticism. Hey, when are this, when are this.
Yeah.
But
it's possible for us to qualify.
It's possible. The way we qualified to the World Cup, it was convincing. Then we have a coach and experience. If we stabilize the team, the core of the team is there. But also we play against Mexico. Population lap is 110 million or plus or less, I don't know. So they'll be playing against all these youngsters and they must just stay in the game.
Yeah. Nangaphandle kwaloko. Uzayibonela kodwa mawuqalaza nje uzowenda no. Ngidinga kwi-PSL wena sana.
Sanibonani bafethu, this is Jabu Mahlangu and Diskishandis. La namhlanje bafethu sise Discovery Soccer Park. There's an event hostwa iClicks Broscape. There's different brands as under iClicks. They invite different personalities. We've got former Bafana players, we've got influencers, we've got actors, we've got musicians. So kuzoba mnandi bafethu thina njengoba siyi-JMTS, we are here to cover all this event. Nizobona nani ukuthi kumnandi, but before sizongena endabeni ye-event eyeClicks Broscape esize ngayo namhlanje la iDiscovery Soccer Park, we would like to say congratulations to all the 26 players, the final 26 players as Bafana representer in Mexico. Dwana, what's your take ngamachita lawa ayos representer for the World Cup? And namhlanje sise Discovery Park boy.
Yeah. Nami ngilotshise igama lami uSibusiso wakaMahlangu aka Sense of Knowledge, your co-host on Jabu Mahlangu and Diskishandis. Discovery Soccer Park, Clicks Broscape, a beautiful tournament. Soccer Fever, it's a World Cup year.
Yeah.
So you can see the vibe in Panagumnandi. All the celebrities are here, whether it's your actors, whether it's your soccer players, everyone is here. And as we speak, we see the legendary Tiko Modise is passing by. But yeah, it's going to be a beautiful day, and we will bring them in here. So about interviewer Javas.
Yeah.
They will tell us what they think about Bafana. They will tell us about the brands that they represent, because we've got Abu Dhav.
Yeah.
We've got your Shield. We've got all the brands that are under iClicks.
Yeah.
So that is why we are here. We will talk to them, different personalities. Abo Sweet Kuluva.
Yes.
Abo Primo Baloi. So everyone is here. It's going to be a beautiful day. Yeah.
But uthini Bafana.
Bafana, my message to Bafana, guys, go and represent us well. The team that the coach has selected, I think it's good enough, Jabu.
I believe in the coach's final decision.
Yes, but there will always be a much debate, but at the end of the day, I support whoever that they selected.
Yeah.
Yes, Nami, I do have my players in Philo with
Nami.
Yes, but I mean, at the end of the day, I'm 26 in face. It's difficult to be coaching.
Buffett, congratulations, and we are fully behind you, Bafana. Win, lose or draw. Sinani Buffett, but go there, showcase your talent, and make sure Guti you leave a mark. Buffett, Jobang Shilo Guti is cut Samba, tournament sayakala, I'm a game 5-a-side ayakala Buffett.
But if you was who are you looking forward to see like my game in God?
Hey, I ngibona team yabo general, ngabona bo Itumele Mkhune, ngabona uBlack Verk. Yeah, no, support the team yabo yakama
Fusana.
Yeah,
I mean, support Antoine abo Tiko
Payas.
Support leza ke general.
Thank you, Buffett. Sure bafethu, njengoba sinitshelile ke ukuthi silana eDiscovery Soccer Park kune event eClicks Broscape. ziyabuya Fafa side, different personalities, kunama actors, kunama musicians, kunama influencer, but namhlanje la ku GMTS ngiphethe uGrootman yami, uGrootman emnandi kakhulu, uThapelo Mokoena. Grootman, siyabonga ukuthi usinikeze isikhathi sakho la ku GMTS. Ngiyakubona ushayela abafana mfana elihle kakhulu mfethu. What's your take ngebafana mfethu? The squad, the final squad.
Eish. Yeah. It is what it is. But into engakutshela yona iyodwa wena Grootman lami, and you know this. We've got nothing to lose and everything to gain.
Yeah.
We haven't had this squad for a World Cup. We have to just find whatever makes the squad magical.
Yes.
Stwahle phezu kwaleyo ndaba and not change the narrative. We've got nothing to lose.
Yes.
Silambile for this games or these couple of games to actually showcase the brand Bafana to the world. It's time we show the world who we are through performance.
Yes.
Already kenzakala uyabona ukuthi
Eish.
if you look at the Sundowns on the global scale, if you look at Pirates, how the brand can be exposed globally, continentally, this is a branding opportunity, Bafo.
Kahle kahle.
Right? And of course, we have to fight and go as far as we can, but this is a big branding opportunity for Labafana, Esbatumele, and you know what? The best we can say is we're right behind you.
Thank you. And then namhlanje silana Discovery Soccer Park.
Yeah.
Clicks Proscape.
Yeah.
Ubekwa yini la Grootman wena?
Fethu, there's so many reasons, Proscape, Usushilo, number one, Clicks is family to me.
Yeah.
One of my partners with my own products, Bakwena Brands products,
Nice.
which are on, Clicks shelves and Click stores. And over and above that, this is the energy of bros, right? So I've got a men's beard care range.
Yes.
That's about the bros. So there's so many common layers there. Hey, Sengimbuka nje ngedatha na ku TV, and I get to see you. So you know what I'm saying, my dog.
No, thank you so
It's a
much.
blessing. It's a
No,
blessing.
siyabonga Grootman yami. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day mfethu. Danko. Bafethu, danko.
Salute.
One love. Sure bafethu, njengoba nazi ke iGMTS saselana Discovery Soccer Park. Ngiphethe isikhokho sami manje lana uSweet Guluva. Sweet Guluva kunjani Thami?
Ngiyaphila brother kunjani?
Idavu mfana kwenzakalani nawe nedavu ngiyakubona umuhle mfana unuka nakamnandi.
Hayi no siyanqaba bheka idavu vela ngithi champions of care.
Yeah.
So mele vele sinuka kamnandi mele siyiphathe ntofo nokuthi ke vele sizodlala ibhola so maye bayangidinga nakhona yami.
Manje lalela ngoba mina ngikwazi ushaya lezi zinto zama camera action.
Yeah.
Lana angeke ushawa ama offside.
Thulu
Angeke ushawa.
bonke.
Ozosinda ngoba offside ayikho ku 5%.
Hayi nangaphandle kwaloko.
Yeah.
Uzoyibonela kodwa mawaqalaza nje uzobona no. Ngidinga kwi-PSL wena sana.
Yeah, so wena ungathini nje ngedavu ispan sakho nedavu?
Mina nedavu sisebenzisana ukuthi okay there's a brotherhood ukuthi sibaningi yabo.
Yeah.
So sizama ukupreach ebantwini ukuthi brotherhood ibalekile ukuyinakekela because angithi it's Doveman plus care. So
yes.
care ubaleke kakhulu because
Yeah.
siyayinakekela ama deodorant. So sitshela abantu ngedavu ukuthi davu sebenzisa irolon yakadavu. Sebenzisa ini udavu best nayo yonke lonto usigcoba.
Yeah.
Mawuqeda ukudlala mele uyogeza unuke kamnandi khona yonke into yabo izinto zokugcoba yonke leyo nto sosihlanganiswa yiloko mina nodavu.
So ibaluleke kangakanani event enjengale for iClicks to bring all the different brands ezi under iClicks out here?
Ibaluleke ngoba ikhombisa abantu ke manje practical ukuthi
Yeah.
ngeke udayisele into engasetshenziswa usibanibani. So njengoba isebenzisa ngifuna ubona ukuthi mayiqeda ukuyogeza noma indlula la inuka kamnandi usuke enuka yona lento esuke sithi ithenge njengamanje store. So bayenza practical bakhombisa practical.
Siyabonga ke kuDavu. And then lastly your message to Bafana and uhappy na ngesquad the final squad.
Yeah no ngihappy kakhulu ba grand ba balance.
Yeah.
Uyayibona leyo ndaba mina ngithi nje kubafana bafowethu ake nizame kakhulu. Uyayibona leyo ndaba mina ngithi nje kubafana bafowethu ake nizame kakhulu. Sweet Mrembula mayekhona nje hayi sibahle kakhulu.
Thank you bafethu. Siyabonga bafethu.
Thank
That was
you, Jabu.
Jabu Mahlangu and Diskishandis. Ngiphethe intwana yami lana Sweet Guluva.
Thank you, brother.
Sisasekhona la eDiscovery Sports Park. Zasha.
Thank you.
Sengiphethe general former Bafana player superstar bafethu. Tiko ngamoshi isikhathi awuthami.
Yes, sir.
Na tournament yenziwe iClicks. Ithini mfana le tournament nje kuwe?
No, but it's mina kimi Duke, it's nice ukuthi all the brands under Unilever they're here just to celebrate each other. as much as baku competition, but we know that once you combine it,
Yeah.
so anyway, we want to be part of it. And for the fact that the team as former footballers still be able to partner with such huge brands, I think it's very inspirational. I just hope going forward, there's a lot of former footballers as well that will be part of this magnificent tournament.
So wena kahle iprice imalini la kunenyuku for ama winners tiko.
So for manje sasirigijimisa.
Ngiyabuza ukuthi no ntwana ngisho no for the tournament ntwana vele nidlalela something.
Yeah, we do. And the team they just signed me. It's last year Iboba winning Labo people. So we're here to defend the title.
And then lastly mfethu bafana bas announce the squad your message ntwana nzithu mfethu.
Hey dog,
and ubuya kuyo ntwana, you know the pressure. Uyazi ukuthi mabacela ukubiza that final squad and igama lakho leader ntwana, you know the feeling mfethu kwenzakalani. So what's your message emachiteni mfethu lawa youth representative this year?
Into engayisho Thami ukuthi congratulations to amachita selectiwe. You know, it's a privilege and it's an honor to be playing the World Cup. You know, we've seen a lot of superstars abagazi participate in the World Cup. It's just a struggle to qualify. And for the fact that we qualify with a lot of local players, it just shows you the quality of football that we have and talented players that we have. And especially to the younger ones, you know, Aborele, like it's a big opportunity for them. You know, the Apolis that have been doing great this season, to be part of the World Cup, it will change how they look at football.
Yeah.
And I guess she is just to complete football. Big tournaments in the world, you know, and it's always nice to see. And I just hope as fans, much like Kaya, we'll be able to actually support these guys, because that's what we need. I mean, let's move away from the negative things and creating, you know, negative connotation towards I'm a player way too. Let's give them the same support that we do to international players out there. We have to. I mean, look, dude, like we have Lucas that went to the World Cup. You were part of that World Cup squad.
Part of the squad.
We never made it to the knockout phases. We were also part of the 2010 World Cup.
None.
It's always close. So I think, we do have a team. We do have a core that we should. Because, man, we've got players that are exposed to Champions League every season. You know? We've got players that are really want to play for the national team. And also because it's exciting, man, to play the national team. So I just hope with that excitement, we just have to. All we need at the time is just 4 points. And because also there's a lot of teams that have also Basfagil. So it gives us more opportunities actually to go and qualify.
Thank you, Wafetu. Siyabonga Wafetu. That was Tiko Modise, the general. Wafetu la kuchabu matlangu and Tiskishandis. Mfetu, ambo enjoy yangizobe ngukubukela. Niyangisaba, that's why ningangipiki. Niyangisaba.
Mara ngidlalile nawe last year.
No,
bangisaba.
Awukhulumele.
Bamela ke dog, ngitshele something. It was, you know, I never had the privilege to ukudlala against wena. And I mean, now we spoke about it,
Botswana.
But for the fact that even that friend had the opportunity to ukudlala now, you don't understand. Ngizokutshela into, ithi ngibeke camera into ngakutshela no personal. The things that we've done for South African football, ne?
Yeah.
Let me not be emotional. There's a lot that you've done, my man. So I just want to reiterate it. There's a lot of stuff that you've done for South African football. We can criticize you on any other thing, but not your talent. And the one thing that you understand, you inspired people like me to actually love this football thing. And within this thing, as Tandai, you're always going to get criticism. Hey, when are this? But you don't understand the inspiration that you brought in South African football. So we are who we are, namhlanje, because you guys inspired us. And for the fact that we can still have a conversation now, guys.
Number used to fight for Utiko to angazi lesikhathi bathi hey uhamba ngeAustin Martin London ngiyangalwa kabi kasi ngathi ngiyangakutshela le story khona la ngingakutshela ngathi siyasipana lo muntu uyajuluka ayenzeni ngifuna ayenze ejobe ngilwa athi bengilwa ngathi uyangikena bese ngakazana like ibengilwa ngoba they don't understand ukuthi kumele wenzeni uhambe ngani ngebicycle.
No, but let me say this, Autam. Just also to touch on something as well that I think needs to be said. Ngicela nje South African fans that will be watching the World Cup supporting Bafana. Urele is our poster boy, is the face of Bafana right now. Ngiyanicela South African fans, ningayenzi really the things that you've done to me. Ngicela nimnikeni isupport esiyidingayo. Ngicela sim-encourageni. Ngicela simfiseleni ukuthi abe ne-World Cup enhle because we want to see the boys succeed. And as fans, we want to see everybody that's going to be on that pitch on the opening game to be able to succeed. Yekelani lento lezi ama-negative ezingayenzi sense. Don't try to push the narrative engasebenzi engekho life in. Asibhekeni namajita azodlala ku-World Cup asibanikeni support and mina ngizokutshela I've always been misunderstood ngidlale nabo sense they know I've always been misunderstood but I've never had a hate to any player I never had a problem with any player but into engayisho sengikhulile matured manje I just want us to see supporting amajita ngale ndlela kumele sisupport ngakhona and sibe proud to be South African.
Angifuni ukuyimosha bafethu thina bafana we support you, we fully behind you angasayimoshi
wena bangakutshela winja
ngiyabonga ntwana
akutshela manga bangaliko ukutshela manga wathi echa ubushawulu wathatha bangakutshela manga mfana lento yenzile ngeke sayibona bangakutshela manga
bathi bebafuna ngidlale 20 years bese khane bazothi ngibe ngintsini
mamela kuna legend badlala 2 game babiza legend wena nota wena i-Hall of Fame la South Africa mele ube la bangakutshela manga
hey akushongo mina siyabonga general danko bafethu.
Bafethu, I told you, Jabu told you that we've got all the celebrities, we've got all the personalities. Right now, I've got Kila Mpela Babulaye, our 2010 legend for Bafana Bafana, the man that killed Ika Casillas, World Cup 2010. This man knows all about World Cup.
He's a fucking spy.
He's been there, he's done it all. Ndwana, Bafana is made it to the World Cup. The coach has selected his last 26. What are your thoughts, Ntwana, and what is your message to the guys?
Yeah, honestly speaking, I think it's a well-balanced squad. You can see what he's trying to do, you know. He picked, I think, 11 defenders. So, I want to go to a calculator. But also, I think for them to be there, man, already the nation is proud of them, you know. The way they qualified, they were convincing. And hopefully they'll go out there and go through to the next round, you know. Because they have a chance. You know, this World Cup is different. By expanding the World Cup, so it's different. They have a chance to qualify. Whether the Puma number 1, number 2, number 3, you know. So all the best to them. It's their moment. You know, they're playing in the biggest sports event in the world. So it's their time to shine, you know. And we can change their lives. So they must just go out there and enjoy themselves. And they must know that we're behind them.
It's possible for us to qualify.
It's possible. The way we qualified to the World Cup, it was convincing. Then we have a coach and experience. If you stabilize the team, the core of the team is there. You have I'm a player outside down. They just won. The experience is there.
Can we witness the toss?
You know, the experience is there. But also we play against Mexico. Population lap is 110 million or plus or less. I don't know. So they'll be playing against all these youngsters and they must just think the game.
Okay, let's come back to the event. We are with the Clicks Broscape event. I know you are with what is this? L'Oreal Men Expect.
Yeah.
Are you using this product?
Yes, I'm using their face wash because you know, basket is all about Tinamachita, man. It's showcase. Because you know Tinamachita, you go through a lot and we don't talk. So, and you know, if you look good, you smell good,
you feel good.
You know, so it's all about guys, you know. Seven together, because we go through a lot as a magic, and this is kind of things that we need as guys.
The current champion, the league title holder. Yeah, him, you know, he didn't make it. Number 3, no one remembers number 3. He's a legend on the 3rd floor. Go first floor, penthouse view, Paga for life, once always.
A beautiful day that we've had namhlanje lana at Discovery Soccer Park. I'm with the group director, Clicks Broscape, one of the guys that brought us this event. My brother, a beautiful event in Fethu. We saw everyone in South Africa, all the celebrities that you brought here. It was a beautiful day. Abantu ba celebrate, ba enjoy the day. My brother, can you just tell us the purpose of this event? What's the purpose of this event?
The purpose is to bring together brands together to play a five-a-side tournament to just celebrate Bro Nation, brotherhood, as a match or in the suburb scene, you know, just to play a game that we all love and support, you know. Football, disc, baller, and just celebrate camaraderie and have a good time.
Yeah, I see Mfana, you've got Abo Tiko Mudise, whom we just also interviewed. We've got Abo Primo, different celebrities that you brought in. Why did you not bring maybe footballers or just actors? Why did you mix the celebrities of South Africa together?
So what we did as Rexona Dove Neveslin is to kind of like introduce different people from different walks of life. I wanna in the brotherhood aspect of it. That follow these celebrities, that watch these TVs, you know. I'm a soap they're on. So we want to just combine that and just bring a really lovely game and show love to the people that they love, as well as seeing them perform some skills that they enjoy. TV, so it's just bringing together people and having a really good time around it, you know.
Okay, now obviously Soccer Fever is the World Cup year. Bafana Final 26 has been selected.
Yeah.
What's your message to Amachita who are going to the World Cup?
Firstly, it's a big stage. Stage ain't cool. One thing we need to do is enjoy ourselves. You know, first and foremost, enjoy ourselves, but also showcase our talent lines and show your soccer identity. Be African first, enjoy yourself, and then take it to the world. We wanna be able to be one of the biggest exports like in Africa. Music, I'm a pianist, biggest export. So we need to show our talent as a country in the biggest stages of them all. And what's a better place to do it than World Cup, America or Mexico?
The last question.
Yes, sir.
For the grassroots, for the development of soccer in South Africa, what is it that you are doing to support the football?
So, from a regional perspective, we've got a safe hub complex that we're pushing, you know, just to help drive grassroots ekasi, you know, make sure that they have pathways into the system and help identify different talents. And through that, we hope to give people top quality facilities ekasi to be able to showcase their talent, you know, and then from there, the sky's the limit.
Okay, my brother, thank you so much. Continue to do such initiatives, and hopefully people like us will continue to work with you going forward, my brother. Thank you so much.
Sharp.
It was a beautiful day. You saw all the celebrities. So Discovery Soccer Park, Clicks Broscape. That was the tournament. Catch us on the next event. Say Valentine. Danko.